Think you feel temperature the same way every time? Most of us go through life assuming that hot and cold are just two ends of the same spectrum, like turning a dial from one side to the other. But what if I told you that your brain actually experiences warmth and coolness in totally different ways, and that the story of how you sense temperature is way more fascinating than you ever imagined? Think again, your brain's got a secret trick up its sleeve. It's not just about feeling hot or cold, but about how your body and mind work together to decode the world around you. Every time you touch something, your skin is sending a flurry of signals to your brain, and those signals are more complex than you might think. Here's the wild part. Scientists just discovered that warm and cool temperatures don't travel the same road to your brain. For decades, researchers thought that temperature signals all took a similar path, but new studies have revealed a hidden world beneath your skin, where specialized nerve fibers are dedicated to either warmth or coolness. They actually take totally different nerve highways. Imagine your skin as a bustling city with separate express lanes for hot and cold. These nerve fibers, called thermoreceptors, are like tiny temperature detectives, each tuned to pick up either rising or falling temperatures. Imagine your skin is like an airport, and warm and cold are on totally separate flights. When you touch something hot, one set of passengers, your warm-sensing nerves, board their plane and take off. When you touch something cold, a completely different set of passengers, your cold-sensing nerves, rush to their own gate and fly a different route. So warm signals cruise along one path, smooth, steady, basically the chill road trip. These signals travel through nerves that are designed to respond gradually, letting you ease into that comforting feeling of warmth, like when you wrap your hands around a mug of tea, or bask in the sun on a cool day. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The warm pathway is all about slow and steady communication. It's like taking a scenic drive through the countryside where you can relax and enjoy the view. That's why warmth often feels gentle, soothing, and even a little bit sleepy. But cold? Those signals zip over a faster, twistier route, like taking a roller coaster instead of the highway. Cold-sensing nerves are built for speed, sending urgent messages to your brain that something chilly is happening right now. That's why touching ice or stepping into a cold shower can feel so sudden and intense. Your body is wired to react quickly to cold because in nature, getting too cold can be dangerous. So, your cold nerves are like emergency responders racing to alert your brain and get you moving, fast. That's why ice can feel sharp and jarring, while warmth is more like a cozy hug. The difference isn't just in your imagination, it's built into your biology. Warmth invites you to relax, while cold demands your attention. When these signals finally reach your brain, different areas light up. Scientists have found that your brain actually processes warm and cold in separate regions, almost like having two different control centers for temperature. The warm signals activate areas linked to comfort and relaxation, while cold signals trigger regions that keep you alert and ready to react. It's a built-in system for survival and comfort, all happening without you even realizing it. Cold can leave you alert and wide awake. Think cold showers. That jolt you feel isn't just in your imagination, it's your brain's way of saying, wake up, pay attention. That's why athletes use ice baths to recover, and why a splash of cold water can snap you out of a sleepy haze. Warmth? It's all about relaxation. Hello, bubble bath. When you soak in a hot tub or snuggle under a blanket, your brain gets the message that it's time to unwind. Warmth can even help you fall asleep, ease stress, and make you feel safe. But here's a cool twist. Your brain doesn't just keep these signals separate. Sometimes it mixes them together in surprising ways. Here's a cool fact. Your brain can actually blend warm and cold signals, creating sensations that are totally unique. Ever notice how touching something that's both hot and cold at the same time feels super weird? That's your brain trying to make sense of mixed messages. Scientists call this thermal grill illusion. When your skin gets both warm and cold signals at once, your brain sometimes interprets it as burning hot, even if nothing is actually dangerous. It's a reminder that your senses are powerful, but not always perfect. Try touching something hot and cold at the same time. It feels super weird, right? That's your brain's way of trying to solve a puzzle it's never seen before. It's a little like hearing two songs at once and trying to dance to both. Let us know how it felt in the comments. We want to hear your weirdest, wildest temperature stories. Did you ever get tricked by your own senses? If you love mind-blowing science like this, hit subscribe for more videos that'll make your brain say, wow, there's a whole universe inside your skin and we're just getting started exploring it together. Stay curious and keep feeling the world in all its surprising ways.